Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make quick edits in Filmora. So the main basis of quick edits are that you are not putting in your own time to edit it to your own liking, but just simply choosing out of templates and making it to your own way in a way. I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. So to begin, we're going to import clips first. So I'm going to import some nice clips. Probably, let's go videos, find something here. Let's do downloads, find some videos here. Let's do this Fortnite clip I had from a long time ago. So let's say we put this here, right? You can match the media or keep project settings. I'm going to do match the media. So this is the clip we're looking at.
Terrible. Terrible. Oh, like, how would you do?
Nah, you like.
Let me lower the volume. And this is like the clip basically. I'm just gonna render this on. So I don't think it can become a smooth playback, but that's fine. Let's just use something else for now because this is quite a laggy one. Let's use this for now. So what I'm gonna do is one of the quick edits can be titles. So let's say I want to add this type of title. So for example, this right here itself is a quick edit. So because you're quickly grabbing a template and editing it. So now we're just gonna come here, change the text to I am the one. The top A. I am the one. You change the text color for this one specifically to red. This one to yellow. And this one to yellow as well. Podcast. And press OK. From there, this is what it'll look like. And that's how a quick edit is done. So let's move this here. From there we can go to effects and add a, let's do film effect onto this. Sorry, on top of this. So just like that, we got another quick effect. Then we can do disco back here after the text. And maybe add a transition at the start. Like a blurry roll. So now this is the quick edits we've done so far. Podcast, the top A, I am the one. And then as you can see, it changes. So there you have it. That is how to do quick edits in Filmora. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.